Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of the Power 9 of the Blue Zone Project, living the longest people secret to longevity. My name is Dr. Niti Solomon. I am the author of this book, Project Love. Love stands for Lifestyle Optimization, Victoriously Established. I am a double board certified physician in traditional pediatrics and integrative holistic medicine. And today is our episode 3, Downshift of the Power 9. Basically, downshift means that you learn to unwind, to rejuvenate and reset. So the concept at first, I say, I learned from this mother of my autistic patient in Spanish called poco poco. It means going little by little according to your own pace, which is the concept of our awesome program anyway, right? And first is to shift perspective from half glass empty to half glass full, right? You learn to appreciate everything and seeing the positivity, and mindset is very important, right? Number one, rejuvenate, reset. Imagine your computer when they are jumbling with the data, got heat up, you have to turn it off and reset, and voila, work again like magic, right? Same thing throughout the day when you feel stressed, take deep breath, really, be in the moment, be in tune with your body, with yourself. That definitely will help you reset and rejuvenate and unwind. See, detach for even just a few moments. It will help you feel much better in a short period of time. And number 2, Techno detox. What do you think? How many hours most of us on screen these days? The kids are on screen for school over a year already, and a lot of people have done too much of that. Too much of good things, not good, people. And some of you may have heard EMF, electromagnetic field, which is a real deal, that when you expose to all these electronics devices, it's actually not good for you in too much dose. So 2 hours a day. I have a patient, 14-year-old, that after being on screen on her phone until 4 a.m., 7 a.m., woke up with seizures. So remember that. Number 3, by learning to say no, you can help yourself learning to have a healthy boundary. And really, that's how you have time for yourself to not taking on too much, because it's important that we don't overdo things, just like the computer got heat up, right? So downshifting by having your own space and your time, very important. And number 4, my favorite, hello sunshine. Connecting with nature, like our number 1, move naturally. But go out and stretch and enjoy the sunshine, go for a walk, go for a hike, enjoy, appreciate Mother Nature, see divine nature, see divine everything. But even if you didn't have a lot of time, just go outside, take deep breath a little bit, and having house plants, watering the plant, do gardening, or having pets also represent unconditional love. And when you nurture something, you feel nurture in return because you're in that frequency of love, that vibration. So that will help you downshift as well. And number 5, by connecting with your higher self and your creativity, that gives you the sense of well-being. Arts is one of the simple things. You can performing the art yourself, like doing painting, drawing, or you can also, go see some beautiful things in nature or in the museum, and beautify, glorify your space will give you the sense of health and well-being to make you relax and unwind and having the good downshift for long-lasting well-being. And thank you so much, everyone. Hope this helped. Stay tuned for episode 4, 80% rule. Until then, have an awesome life. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.